Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm about to go to the club. Like I'm gonna go out, you know. It's been a stressful week and I just deserve at least one day. And tomorrow I'm gonna crack down, I'm gonna study and all of that. But tonight I'm going out. So I feel like I should record right now. So y'all can see my makeup routine, my get ready with me for the club. So I already put on primer because I thought about this while I was putting on primer. And actually let's get some club tunes going because I want to listen to music. Okay, I don't think I'll get demonetized because I don't get monetized anyway, so. I'm just starting my foundation. Not a lot because I'll be sweating. This is my real hair, y'all. It's cute, doesn't it? I just have to fix the edges, so don't worry about that. One thing I noticed about this primer is I will never buy it again because it is so drying. I need something. I need e.l.f. I need to go back to e.l.f. That's the problem. I feel special. I feel special. Look at my wrist, fingers, ears. Look at my neck glow. I feel special. I feel special. LA Girl Pro Conceal. This ain't really like a tutorial because I ain't doing nothing special, so sorry. I no longer let my concealer sit because this primer is already drying enough and that just drives me out more. So I feel special. I feel special. Check out my wrist, fingers, ears, look at my neck go. I feel special. I feel special. Keep on, girl. My diamonds a mess of mess. She said she not go for that. She keep her split west. She keep it so confident. Y'all know that is. My diamonds is always pimple. I never had this much hair in my life. I don't know what to do, y'all. It ain't even a lie. And I like this is the most hair I've ever had in life. I just need layers because my hair is so thin. I'm not even talking. I was supposed to be lit. This is supposed to be a get ready with me. I was supposed to talk, and I'm not even talking. Hey, this what they waiting for? You ready? I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, and cuss lots on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. And bless me like I chew. Who is this? I don't know who's calling me. Hold on. Y'all know I'm recording a video right now, and y'all are interrupting.
Wait. Oh, you were?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, so if we come over after we get ready, we get me a video.
No, the video will be long over by that time. They just hung up on me. What the world?
I think I misunderstood you. You said we can't be in video, right?
No, I said it's gonna be over.
Why have you not done a vlog yet?
I don't vlog.
Vlog? What you mean? This vlog.
But when I only when I'm like by myself or in you know.
Vlog for this round.
Why? It's kind of weird.
How's that weird?
I don't know. It just is.
Oh, you talking to yourself while you're around us?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Huh?
What more to do for your pores?
I don't know. You see, my skin is not the best.
What do you buy? Wait, what you said?
My skin is not the best, so I just buy it because I don't like the Dasani.
You don't see me and her talking about that. Yeah, that's not very good. I would be in jail every time somebody brings my son. Everybody like, oh, you take this out.
The Sony nasty. Like, what the world? Ew. We have an issue. I cannot find my face powder. Hater, rest in peace. I can't find my powder. Here it is. I done did the KODs. I hate letting my powder sit for this long. I have the weirdest hairline. Like, what the world is this? Put it in a face. Big bank, take little bank. Big bank, take little bank. She say, what you gonna do if I leave? Boom, 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 boom. The song get fired this part. I'm a first generation millionaire. I turn my W's to M's, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. Come in. Uh-oh. Back again. Back to back. Make back. Stack the M's. You just put on one. I'll put it up. Once he go black, he'll be back again. So there's crunch time abdomen. Imagine. She did it again. Imagine them. About to make these bumps mad again. Uh-oh. Back to them. I'll leave the pack. Back to them. Should I put on lashes? Both of my ears on froze. Dracos on Dracos on Dracos on Dracos. Phonies on phonies on phonies. That bottom lash line make a difference, guys. Yeah, I'm putting on lashes. Pull up in a brand new fish truck.
Hey,
Ladies,
have you ever had to call
one of these little hood rats, and she try to act like, you don't know. You say you'll never be his wifey, as if you ever had the option. Everything my name on it. Ring finger got his ring on it. Don't nothing move till I. Okay, it's coming together. You can't trust nobody. What kind of picture they trying to paint on me? I know.
What you tell us,
Gangster, blood, shooter, killer, robber, yeah, finesse, shooter. And I'ma smoke you. Yeah, over with. Gangster, blood, shooter, killer, robber, yeah, finesse, shooter. I do it. Yeah, oh yeah. You give it nothing but the slow strokes. Yeah. Around with the whole suit. What about the shoot? You too? You too? You show me. We got it. flock of flow. Walk a flock of flow. Walk a flock of flow. Ran up in his spot just to get my stacks up. Now I'm back on deck. So shout it. Oh, they do it. Oh, they do it. Oh, they do it. Yeah. Strong to the music. Y'all look cute. Oh my gosh. Like, okay. This is the finished look. Hold on, let me turn this off. Okay, this is the finished look. I think I look cute. If y'all saw me in person, I feel like y'all would think the same. Okay, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of rushed, it's kind of ratchet, but you know, that's me. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.